In this video, we're taking a look at how you can connect your iPhone to a 14.9 Android screen, be it an Extron or be it a different brand. Hello everyone, I'm Bogdan. I help people upgrade their cars, and from time to time, I'm also getting feedback from my customers, some of them struggling to do some of these connections. So first thing first, you need to make sure that you have deleted your connection from the phone to the vehicle. Usually you are able to do that by going to Bluetooth. I'm new to the Apple environment, so bear with me. Bluetooth settings, and as an example, let's say that this Soundcore P2 Mini would be the vehicle. You click on the I, and after that forget this device. Step number 2, you go to your media unit, you search for the app that provides the CarPlay. On these units it is this one, CLI M-Link. On other units it might be Z-Link. Click on this one, and here the trick and the important bit is to click on this little icon, and by clicking on that you have now the option of switching between CarPlay and Android Auto. This is quite important because if you do not select the correct one, your phone will have difficulty in connecting to this. Once this is done, explore this little menu, this being step number 3. And here an important setting would be switch to right-hand drive for those of you that are in the UK or in countries where the steering wheel is on the other side. Also later you will see me describe the fact that you can use this toggle to arrange the layout of the apps in such a way that it is more comfortable for you. Personally, I found it better to switch on the other side because I'm getting the shortcut on Waze in a better format and closer to me. But that is a topic for a different video. And I almost forgot, you want to click the connect automatically toggle. Now, we finished with the settings. We made sure that we have connected or we have selected CarPlay, and it's time to go to the phone and activate Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and allow location to be all on. When you first connect this, or when you first do this step, you will after that scan for available Bluetooth devices and select, depending on your media unit. In my case it's Extrons. If a different manufacturer has a different name, you are going to select a different name from that list. We click on that, and like magic, we have the CarPlay active and running on the vehicle. Although many of you would consider this being all that is needed, I would also suggest, because the sound in the Apple devices is quite high quality, high definition, to get the same refinement, I would also suggest you guys pull down this top part of the screen, find the volume tab, and here play around with different settings. The one that I found that works okay for me is to have it at 15 points. The overall idea, the more you take it to the maximum, the higher the distortion, depending on the setup that you have in your car. Because I have a custom DSP amplifier and a custom calibration for this vehicle, 15 works for me. For other setups, you might want to play around with that value to find the setting that works best for you. Now, I hope that this video helped. If you are having problems with media units like these ones, or if you want to improve sound quality, some settings, and maybe I heard some of you guys are getting phone calls but not on the speakers, should you want to resolve those problems, get in touch. I do this in the UK, quite professional services, and I deal with these units on a day-to-day basis. Details are in the description below. You also might want to see how I installed this unit on this vehicle. Maybe you learn something, or maybe you find out something that I'm doing different. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.